hard. Okay, side. Okay.
Bite it.
Grind your teeth.
Bite it. Yes. Okay.
Your teeth. 発音合ってます？ Hey everybody, you good? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm really excited and I'm smiling because that's kind of like one of the reasons why I'm making this video. I want to talk about dental care in Japan. Going to the dentist wasn't something that I remember doing a lot. I was telling my friend like last time I went to the dentist was like 5 years ago when I went back to Jamaica, and like I did a cleaning service there. And that was it. Like nobody really talks about the importance of dental care where I'm from. So putting dental care on my channel right now, it's kind of showing you guys how much your girl has grown, or at least I think I'm not scared anymore. A trip to the dentist in Japan is quite interesting. It's kind of fun. Like I can't believe I'm saying that. You would never hear me say like, you know, going to the dentist is fun, because I'm always like scared to death. I think I recall like only 2 times that I've been to the dentist. I was a kid back then, but still have a fear of needles, still have a fear of seeing all kinds of tools that are supposed to be going into my mouth. Yeah, things have changed. You gotta move with the times. If you're new to this channel, I go by Francella Bella. I live in Japan, and on my channel you can find a little bit of everything, but I try to narrow down to stuff like travel, lifestyle, and personal development. So these days I'll try to focus more on those videos. But if you're new here, smash the like button, subscribe. If you find videos that you really like, you can share with your friends. And if you guys been watching for a long time, welcome back. It does make me feel motivated to make more videos for you guys. The reason I decided to share my dental experience with y'all is because I thought it was really important. Some people here might be wondering, what's it like taking a trip to the dentist if you haven't gone? If you still have your childhood fear like I did, maybe this video will help you to, you know, calm down, or just get that bravery back again so that you can go and get your beautiful smiles. So yeah. So recently I went to the dentist, y'all. My first visit was February 26th. Because I wanted to do like a cleaning service. Of course I wanted to do whitening, and I decided, okay, maybe I can do whitening, cleaning, and something else. Reason why I actually decided to go to the dentist is because I recently found out that I have like overcrowding. My bottom row is a bit overcrowded. It just makes me feel uncomfortable. Like I just don't like seeing it or anything like that. Don't come for me in the comments. I just don't like it, and decided to like go to the dentist and check out and see like what they can do. Do I have to like get some kind of special treatment or braces or something like that? Anything that can fix it. So my dentist is in Chiba. Nothing beats a referral for me. Like if somebody recommends a dentist, a doctor, or something, I'm gonna check it out. There must be a reason why these people are recommending these dentists. So actually my friend recommended a dental clinic in Chiba. It's really far from my place, and you might be wondering why you went all the way to Chiba. Like why not Yokohama? There are so many cool dentists in Yokohama too that can speak English. Why did you go all the way to Chiba? But like, yeah, from my friend recommends it, I know it's good. Smiling Dental Clinic in Chiba. So I went to this place. I'm gonna leave it in the description down below so that if you guys want to check it out, then you can actually go there and check it out. First visit, I got there at like 12:30. The place was really cool. It was a vibe. I mean, they were playing some really cool music, really nice, soothing kind of music. Kind of felt like you were going to a spa and not a dental clinic. So that kind of shifted my mood to like something really fun and relaxed, and like I was feeling really great. They had this shoe dispenser at the door. You take off your shoe, you put on some slippers. After I gave them my NHI, my National Health Insurance, which is what most, if not all, residents in Japan would have, and I signed up the customer information form, I was just sitting there for a little bit, and then they did an x-ray. So they wanted to see the concerns, so they did the x-ray, and after they did an x-ray, then I went and did a cleaning. And the cleaning was like a very thorough cleaning, y'all. Like when I tell you, it was really thorough. So I went into the dental space. It's kind of like an open space. They had like 2 dental chairs in one space. They had like a little basket where you could put your bags. It had some hangers. You can hang your coat in your section. You're not gonna actually see everything that's happening because they put like this little towel over your eyes. Like it covers your eyes and it covers like here down to your chest so that you don't get messy. For me, it was really cool because I didn't get to see any of the tools that they were using, and that is the number one thing that freaks me out all the time, the tools. So I was like super happy that they had this little towel, cute little towel that they put over your eye, and like it goes all the way down under your chin to your neck. You have a space at your nose where you can breathe comfortably, so yeah, you don't have to worry about that. And then it just covers your chest and neck area, so yeah. And then they did their thing, so they were doing the cleaning, and cleaning took about an hour. My situation was like one of those situations where they needed to do a thorough cleaning, and they actually really wanted to like scope out the area that they'll be working with and such. So I think maybe it took a long time. I'm not a regular at the dentist, so if you think it took too much time, then you can put that in the comment section. If you think that's like average time, drop that down in the comment section also. After that, I did a whitening session. So I did a whitening session, and the whitening session seemed like it took about 2 hours because like this machine that they were using, like super cool machine by the way, and it's like the machine would have a session. I'm saying a session, but I'm like the treatment. And so the first treatment was like about 45 minutes, and then the machine light would go off, and then they would put it on again for another 45 minutes, and then they'll put it on again for like another 30 minutes. It took about like 2 hours in total for the whitening part. Everything took 3 hours in total, like from arriving to the dentist, to doing the x-ray, to doing the deep cleaning, to doing the whitening treatment, paying for my stuff after I was done, and leaving. It was like 3 hours tops. A really beautiful experience because there's no discomfort, there's no like, I'm not seeing any tools that's gonna freak me out. So it was really cool. The dentists there, they were really nice and friendly, and they tried to talk to me. Just some little simple questions to make sure that I was doing okay. They were just so very professional, and like they made me feel like really comfortable. Everything came to like $67. Can you believe that? $67, everything that I did. And it was my first visit, so it kind of included the first visit charge, and I paid $67 with my NHI, National Health Insurance. Don't be surprised if you see like a lot of people walking around in the workspace, because like I mentioned before, there are like 2 chairs and like 2 people working at the same time. And they have the main dentist, who's kind of like a senpai, and then they have the other dentists who are very experienced professionals, and like they were working on other people. So like this was kind of rare, but I was happy that they did that, because I went to do like cleaning and whitening and just check on my overcrowding situation that I was having, and they found other problems, and they told me right away like, hey, you have mushiba, and mushiba is Japanese for cavities. So I was like, what? Your girl has cavities? Hot girl can't have cavities? Like, hold up, wait a second. But they were like, do you want us to? I was like, yeah. They didn't even have to finish this sentence. Like, Yes, just fix everything. Realized that I had a silver filling as well, and they were like, do you want to change that to white beige looking color one that's actually gonna match your tooth? So I was like, yeah, I want to change to that one. I didn't think it was possible, but I was like, yeah, I want to switch that to the white ones, no problem. So let's set another appointment. So that was that for visit number 1. Went home with beautiful, nice white teeth, and I was smiling the whole time. I mean, even the dentist could tell that like I was super excited with my first visit, because I was in the mirror like for a while looking at my teeth the whole time. I will definitely go there all the time because I feel really comfortable there, and they just try to make everything like super smooth, super easy, not painful or scary at all. So I really like that. So my second visit was like a month later. So my second visit, I was running late. My friend drove. The traffic was really heavy, so we were a bit late. Because of that, I couldn't get everything done that I wanted to do on that day, and I had to go back for a third visit. So that's how the third visit actually happened. The second visit, I was supposed to take care of all the mushibas that I had and decide on when I wanted to do the next part of my journey, which is gonna be like in another video. Please try to go early, because as you can tell, it takes a long time to get an appointment, and that was kind of because of my schedule and my friend's schedule, and also the appointments that have already been booked up. Yeah, so it was kind of like we're trying to find a date. So yeah, that was a long time, about a month, to get another dental appointment. So yeah, if you are like going to the dentist, try not to be late. Well, try not to be late for any appointment in Japan, but like especially the dentist appointment, because if you do, your session might be cut because they have to accommodate all the people who are waiting, and you'll find that there are some kids, moms, business professionals, all kinds of people are waiting to like get their services. So try to be early. That was the point that I wanted to make about the arrival time. The next thing is that on my second visit, I did a lot of fill-in. I was really concerned because now I know that they're going to be using tools, and your girl was like, oh my god, this might be a little terrifying. But it wasn't at all terrifying, because the tool that they were using to drill all kinds of stuff, it was like really noisy. They knew what they were doing, y'all. Like they just knew what they were doing. But I could trust the process. They were doing like everything in super record time. In my opinion, it was taking like about 2 minutes to do one of my tooth, and like they were moving really quickly. We couldn't do all of them, especially the silver filling that I had before, which was done by my dentist in Jamaica from 1900s. I don't know when, I don't know, long time ago. You get the idea. I had a silver filling like a long time ago, so I was thinking like this is gonna be super hard for them to deal with. In my mind, I was creating all kinds of scenarios like, oh my god, so this tooth has been worked on already before, it might be a little painful because they're gonna work on it again, and like I was just building up all kinds of stories in my mind. But I tried to like stay calm, because after they started doing what they were doing, I felt really comfortable. This is interesting. I was like, if I had known that it was gonna be like this, I would have like taken out the silver one a long time ago, because such a beautiful, relaxing experience. Like I couldn't imagine, to be honest, I could not imagine that it would have been like so super cool to like get like your teeth all cleaned up, fixing all your problems solved. Like my second appointment wasn't like going to the spa, because you know I started to get a little bit more nervous because I was doing fill-in. But I got really super comfortable after the dentist started. She was really attentive, and every move that I made, she was like asking me, are you okay? Are you okay? Like, I really appreciate people who are not like super gentle, and like maybe they're afraid to do stuff. Like it wasn't like that. She was like really doing her thing, and like trying to fix all my concerns. I was just relaxing with this thing over my eye and like not seeing the tools that they were drilling with, and like not having to wonder, oh my god, where should I look if I didn't have this on my eye? Like, should I be staring at her? Would I be staring at the tools? Like, I was just so happy that I had that thing over my eye. This time I paid like $37, really super cheap. My third visit, got there super early. I mentioned like the female dentist before, but then there's also male dentist. The main dentist started on the silver one. He got it out under 4 minutes, y'all. Like, I was like, geez, like I was there with this cute little thing over my eye and like covering my chest and all of that, and hearing the drilling and all of it. I didn't have like AirPods or anything in, so I was hearing all the sounds. I just gonna see what they were doing, which was really cool. And like he got that silver filling out under 4 minutes, and I was like, whoa. And like he was putting in the whiter ones already. I was so happy, never felt any better, because like now everything has been done, because we took care of the silver one, and like all of my other two that they claimed had cavities, they fixed everything. Now when I was done, I was like, oh my gosh. Started having thoughts like, you know, like now I can open my mouth like super wide and like not be worried about, you know, like people seeing my tooth and be like, oh my god, like what's wrong with your mouth? I didn't know I had cavities, so I'm like super excited and very happy that they told me I had cavities and they fixed all of them, and that was super cool. And now I don't have cavities anymore. I have beautiful bright smile. On my third visit, I actually did whitening again in preparation for the next step. I was super excited. I called my mom, I called my sisters, I told them like, hey, guess who got brighter, whiter, beautiful smile, and teeth, doesn't have any cavities and whatnot. That's one of the reasons why I would recommend like you going to the Smiling Dental Clinic in Chiba, because they're really nice, very professional. They make you feel so comfortable. You would feel like it was like a spa day. Like, I would never imagine that I would be having so much fun in a dental chair, because like in the past, like my experiences were not like that. So highly recommend Smiling Dental Clinic in Chiba. I'm gonna put the link in the description down below. Next part of my journey, braces. So I'm gonna be like sharing how I'm gonna fix my overcrowding situation that I have at the bottom row of my mouth right now. And I hope that you guys will stick around to my channel to see my braces journey, and because right now it's messing with my confidence levels. So kind of one of the reasons why I had stopped making YouTube videos in January, because it was like I have a really bad overcrowding. But I decided to start making videos again, and I'm gonna fix my overcrowding. So stay tuned to my channel if you want to see that journey. Yeah, if you have questions about the Smiling Dental Clinic in Chiba, or about dental care, about NHI for dental care, leave your questions down in the comment section below. Just drop them down there. If you also have comments about how beautiful my teeth look, my smile is I welcome any comments about my beautiful smile. Yeah, it's like just one of those things that's boosting my confidence right now, and I'm really loving that. I definitely wanted to come on here and share my experience of getting brighter, whiter, beautiful smiles. So yeah, they give you a dental card right after you finish signing up the customer information. On the back, it has like your appointment dates and times here. So yeah, like my second appointment, I was like, oh my god, what time was my appointment? Totally forgot. And then I remembered I have my card, so I was able to look at the back and be like, okay, all my appointments are actually the same times. Don't have to freak out if you are forgetting your times for your appointment, because they're actually on the back of your card. Yeah, if you want to see a video about my trip to the dermatologist, then yeah, leave it in comment section down below too. So I will share about my dermatologist journey and my laser. Be sure to check out some of the other videos that I posted, because it's not just about dental on my channel. I do a lot of videos, so be sure to check those out, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.